don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to Amavens on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Orlando Pirates 3. I'm joined by Isaac.
Hayi wena ngathi ujabulile nawe. Ufevani kan.
My cup.
Hey madoda, Pakania makhosi. Hayi, igembe emnanzi, Pakania bemnanzi kakhulu. iPirates ikhombisile from the start. Uthi ifuna 3 points. And ifuna lendo le Pirates. So iKaizer Chiefs angathi idlalela ini. Asina ma player ngiyabeva labaningi bakhala ngabo coach. Bo coach noma singalanza bo manqoba mncithi silanze bo ilindi ubani coach Sundowns Pitso Masimane. Bonke lesitokwenza vele. Lama players adlala so. Asinawo ma player. Abetha vele. Yabona lama player lawo. I bet strong. Steve, congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Mara, yabona Mamelodi Sundowns. Si disappointing. Disappointing. Sundowns support phela. Disappointing. Mara mabhakani yona. Aside kahle mfana aside kahle. Yena ibhola yePirates imnanzi phela. Quality. Sesingamana sikhuluma. Hayi Chiefs. Sesiyafeva nje. Mara ngiyathi siyabona makhosi. Akunalutho. Icup Pirates yayithatha ngiyayinika mina. Ngathanda mabhakani.